Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of a new Trekkie. My 5-year mission to search out Star Trek media, to seek out our fans and merchandise, to boldly go where no fan has gone before.
Greetings and salutations, how's everybody doing? So, we're back to looking at episodes of Star Trek Discovery with the episode The Sounds of Thunder. So, what was it about? When a new signal appears over Saru's home planet, Burnham, Saru, and the crew embark on a perilous mission that puts Saru in danger and raises questions about the Red Angel's intentions. And Hugh struggles to come to terms with his new reality. I gotta say, I kind of like the fact that we got to see the whole world of the Kelpians, and also, their opposing race, the Belu, I think, yes, Belu, I believe, or Balu, I believe, and yeah, I kind of like say how, like, the Kelpians, basically, they're a bit nervous, they're a bit afraid of them, and at the same time, they are, like, they say we cannot go go against them, because that would offset the balance of the way how things are for us. And Saru, he basically had to, in a way, remove the fear of the change that the Kelpians go through, is in a way basically trying to, like, say, hey, like, come, it's okay, we can get you guys through this, and we can try to, like, go up against the opposing race and all that. I actually thought the look for them was really good, in the fact that the battle, like, their race that that the Kelpians are afraid of, I thought they looked really good. Like,
Time can never govern itself. The Federation has no idea what they have welcomed into their ranks. Your species does not deserve a second chance. Great balance.
like, yes, I understand, like, say, some folks have, when it comes to the show, have said, like, say, Star Trek Discovery has more, is more effect, in whether story-based. And, yeah, I can understand in that, hey, yeah, like, compared to, like, say, classic Star Trek, like TNG, or heck, even, like, a Voyager, or a DS9, some episodes would, like, say, yeah, there will be a very, continuing story that they would try to follow through, whereas this one is more, like, say, a continuous storyline. And, yeah, like, that's one thing that I think, like, say, a lot of modern television does nowadays, in that, like, for a season, like, here is the main storyline that they're gonna come with. Yes, they will add, like, little bit of story elements that will, like, like, say, give you a little bit of nuggets as sides.
The pulse has deactivated all the pylons across Kaminar.
This should be impossible.
And, yeah, I think the episode does pretty good. I think the production value, for the Kelpian homeworld, I think it looks good. And I also think the relationship that Saru has with his sister, in that, yeah, like, she basically thought, like, hey, where have you been? In a way, you basically have, like, left. We thought that you had passed and all that. In a way, basically, like, yeah, like, almost like the idea of like say, hey, when one feels like say, hey, I need to get away for my own good and all that, but others say, wait, we didn't realize that. We just thought something had happened to you and all that. And yeah, I thought this episode was pretty good. I thought it was entertaining. I thought the effects of it were pretty good. And yeah, I'm fairly. I feel like I think the thing about the show is I'm fairly engaged by it. And yeah, I guess somebody could say, well, yeah, like props because of the effects. At the same time, I also really like how this show has more like makeup, and that like say, oh, that looks really good, because like when I'm really captivated when a show can really do something with production value when it comes to their makeup and prosthetics. I always find that like, yeah, you decided to go to that angle, and I'm glad you did and all that. So, and this episode is too bad. See you next time.